0 degrees at 8:30 in the morning. Right. So, ito, yung corner na yan is... Run over, lady! Kaya, proud na proud din naman ako kay Daddy because parang mag-iisip ka rin, diba? What's wrong? Good morning, everybody! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay blessed kayo ngayong araw. So, ngayon ay Saturday, 10th of, or I think it's 10th. Yeah, 10th of January 2026. Hi! Kasama ko ngayon si Aliyah dito sa kusina. Hi, Aliyah! Now she's eating her yogurt. That's her first meal of the day, guys. So, it's 8:30 in the morning at bagong gising po kami ngayon. So, sasama namin kayo ngayong weekend, this Saturday. So, whatever we're doing, guys, we're gonna bring you with us. So, dyan lang kayo. Huwag na po kayong umalis, ha. Samahan nyo na kami hanggang sa dulo ng vlog na ito. Happy Saturday! Yep. Alam niyo guys, after a week sa nursery, si Aliyah Gia ay inuubo na naman po. Kaya, sabi naman ni Daddy, ganyan talaga dito. Talagang nagkakahawaan sila. After a week, guys. Anyway, she's building her immune system. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko. Medyo may sinat siya kasi we check her temperature just now. It's 38.7. Ay! Eh, shit. It is our food, guys. So, toast with peanut. And then, strawberry and blueberry. Now, she's finishing her, yogurt. Nice yogurt, isn't it? Now, put your breakfast in. Okay? Right here. Let me put this on. Yeah. It's gone. Now you eat your food. Good girl. Eat some more, anak. So, nagko-coffee tayo, guys. Kape. Kape is life, isn't it? So, ngayong araw, maganda yung panahon. Maaraw, pero malamig. Frosty sa labas. Yung parang, dalhin ko kayo para makita nyo. Hindi siya nag-snow, pero yung ground is very, frosty. Tsaka kita nyo yung puti-puti sa, yung bubong ng mga bahay. Talagang na-frost siya. Oh, bless you. Anyway, yung sinasabi ko na, malamig sa labas, ano bang temperature ngayon, guys? Winter na winter kasi, ayan, 0. So, 0 degrees at 8:30 in the morning. Pero maaraw, sunny the whole day, which is nice. Pero super lamig, guys, sa labas. Ayan, inuubo pa si Aliyah Gia, oh. Do you want your water? Okay. Which one? No, you can't eat that. No, mommy, go and get your water. For sure. Here's your water. So, siguro lalabas kami, pero mabilisang walk lang sa labas. Ewan ko kung may football si Andy. Kasi weekend ngayon eh. What is it? What is it that you want, Dala? Baba? Naglolo ko siya. Yum, isn't it? This is the one. I don't know what you want. Biscuit? This one? No, ayaw niya.
A few moments later.
Aliyah is playing. Ito naman si Ate Lady, buntot ng buntot. Ayan, oh. Kasi, gusto niya yung kinakain ni Aliyah. Are you cooking? Can I order some tea, please? Aliyah? Please, can I have tea? Are you gonna cook for Mom? And she's busy eating. You busy eating? Ayan. Ito guys, sa corner na to, sa aming munting sala. So, this is the sala, right? So, ito, yung corner na yan is yung play area ni Aliyah dito sa bahay. Then nakapark yung kotse niya, tsaka yung push walker niya. Ayan. Then, yun yung kanyang kitchen. Tapos, dyan na yung mga books niya. Then, meron din siya sa kanyang kwarto sa taas. So, ito, may play area siya dito sa baba. Meron din siyang play area sa kanyang nursery. Ay, naku. Nagbe-bake si Aliyah. Ay, oh my. So, Saturday, chill day tayo ngayon. Sana walang football si Andy para meron akong katuwang dito sa bahay. Kasi kung ako lang, wala talaga akong magagawa. Pero kung andyan si Andy, may mag-e-entertain kay Aliyah. So, magagawa ko yung mga gawaing bahay na gusto kong gawin. Like, maglinis, magtiklop ng mga damit. Pero to be honest guys, yung asawa ko ang taga-tiklop ng mga labada. Siya ang naglalaba. Siya ang taga-tiklop. At minsan niloloko niya ako dahil regalo daw niya sa akin yun. Yung kanyang mga nilabahan. Kasi nga, working from home si Daddy. So, syempre may time siya in between ng break niya, during his break. So, ang gagawin niyan, maglalagay na siya ng labada sa washing machine. Tapos, next break naman niya, magsasampay. Nakakatuwa nga yung asawa ko eh. Kasi marunong din siya sa bahay. Ang ano lang niya talaga, minsan lang yan magluto. Ako ang talagang tagaluto. Pero yung linis, you're poo-pooing. Yung linis, yung labada, yung pag-aalaga kay Aliyah, talagang hands-on din naman si Daddy Andy. Kaya, proud na proud din naman ako kay Daddy because he knows housework or house chores. Hindi lang siya yung nakaupo. May mga times din naman, pero hinahayaan ko lang kasi syempre he needs to de-stress. Ganon, he needs to relax din. Pero, kung nagkukusa siya, yun yung ibig kong sabihin, hindi ko na kailangang iutos. Nagkukusa naman siya. Kaya, nakakagaan ng feeling. Bilang isang ina, dito sa abroad na may maliit na anak and then my family. So, yeah. Guys, gusto ni Aliyah mag-read ng book niya. So, ang pinili niyang book is A Child's Bible. Yeah, that's the zebra. Where's the elephant? There. Where's the giraffe? Giraffe. There. Giraffe? Where's the giraffe? There. Zebra. Yeah, zebra. Elephant. Yeah. Where's the butterfly? There. Okay. Where's the hippo? There. Okay. Let's read the book. When the world began, before anything else was made, God was there in the darkness. God made light to shine in the darkest and saw that it was good. God shaped the lamb stripy. Isn't it? Oh, Daddy's here.
What's Mama doing? People.
Bah. Ah. Peekaboo.
Wow. Red! Yes, that is red. Good girl. Red. Blue. Wow. Wow. Orange. Orange. Teacher. Whoop. 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 What's that? Flower. Flower. Should we draw a sun? We draw a sun. That's a sun. Yeah. Sun. Flower. Okay, what's this? What's this? Star. 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 Yeah, star. Star. Can I have this one? Let's have a blue star.
you might skid. Oh, don't run over, lady. I love that. Hello, guys. So, 11:30 na ng umaga. Time check. Nandito kami ngayon lumabas kasi maganda ang panahon. Nakasuot tayo ng air mask kasi kahit maaraw, it's malamig pa din. Are you coming back? Wait.
Come on, lady. Go.
Don't want her to get muddy. Right, Aliyah,
Get muddy.
please can you put your sister's car? Hi! So, andito ngayon si Aliyah. She is... Hinaan natin si Peppa Pig. Nanonood siya ng Peppa Pig. Pinatulog ko siya kanina pero parang 20 minutes lang yung tulog niya, guys. Tas hindi na siya ulit natulog. Kasi nga naman inuubo. So, tingnan niyo yung ginagawa niya. Show the guys what you're doing, anak. Huh? What are you doing? Checking your temperature? Huh? What is it? Show the guys. So, inuubo na naman siya, guys. Yan, hawak niya yung thermometer niya. Hey! You checking your temperature? So, guys, after a week of staying at the nursery, si Aliyah ay inuubo na naman. Kaya naman, talaga naman. You know, gumaling, di ba na-hospitalize siya? And then, gumaling na siya nung before Christmas, right? Ngayon, so after Christmas, New Year, until nung bumalik na siya na naman noong, kailan ka ba bumalik anak? 6 of January sa kanilang nursery, sa kanyang nursery. So ngayon, so noong Tuesday yon, okay pa siya buong week. Tapos kagabi, ayan, nag-uubo na naman siya. Tapos medyo matamlay yung ano niya, yung pakiram. Tumatawa siya. Tumatawa siya. Oh, check your temperature. What was it? 37.3. Oh, okay. Checking. Toot, toot, toot. Checking. Toot, toot, toot. What is it? Oh, what is it? 37.3. Marunong siyang mag-check ng temperature. No, not for the mouth. It's for the ears. Aliyah, not for the mouth, please. No. Yan. So, nabanggit ko na ata kanina sa inyo. Pero, sabi niya, Andy, ganun talaga. Obviously, ako naman, why? Ganun. Ano bang ginagawa nila sa nursery? Bakit unuubo na naman siya nung nandito siya sa bahay? Ako yung nag-aalaga, nawala yung ubo niya. So, hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon sa nursery. Pero parang, kababalik lang niya, 'di ba? Bakit ganon? So, ako naman bilang ina, worried lang ako kasi, syempre, you bring them to the nursery and hoping that they are gonna be okay. And then they look after them well because you pay them to look after your child. Pero pag ganito na always since she was there, nung simula nung pinasok ko siya doon, hindi na siya nawala ng sipon, ubo. Parang mag-iisip ka rin, 'di ba? What's wrong? What's wrong with what they're doing? Because when I'm with my child for 3-4 weeks, she was fine. So I can't stop myself but to kind of like complain in my head kasi yan, inuubo na naman siya. Talaga siguro naghahawaan na lang silang lahat. Sorry guys, I just had to vent out kasi parang nung na-hospital siya, ang hirap, hindi ako nakatulog, hindi kami nakatulog. Pumayat siya. And then, hindi siya kumakain masyado. And then, gumaling siya. And then, nung nasa akin siya, hindi siya umuubo. Hindi siya sinipon kahit napakalamig ng panahon. Tumaba siya. Napansin din ni Andy yan. Tumaba siya nung bago siya bumalik sa nursery. Kaya, I don't know. I'm gonna try to beat my tongue. I tried to beat my tongue. I'm gonna try to bite my tongue and not say anything. But, hindi ko sure kung bakit. Oh, time check. Nearly 8 o'clock. So, nagluto ako ng roast dinner nung pagka-uwi ni Andy. Ito, luto na ang ating potato. Potato, tsaka yung parsnip. Luto na rin yung pork. Ito. Yan, pork belly. Naluto ko na siya sa oven. Sauce ba yung tawag? Yung juice, that's it, juice. Sa ating saucepan, kasi gagawa na tayo ng gravy. Then, mamaya, bago tayo kakain, pag nagkakat na ako ng karne, ito naman yung ilalagay natin. Yorkshire pudding. Ayan. Gawin ko muna yung ating gravy. Pork gravy, guys. So, roast pork. Na-steam ko na rin yung vegetable kanina. Carrots.
You not use your samurai sword?
That's also a carving knife.
No, this is better.
Okay, put it away. Let's eat, guys. Ito na ang ating pagkain. Na-cut na ni Daddy ang pork. At meron na din tayo ditong vegetables. And of course, the potato. And ayan, nilalagay ni Andy yung kanyang gravy. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys yung buhok ng asawa ko kasi kagagaling lang niya ng football. So, he removed his hair cap. So, yeah. Pogi pa rin naman yung asawa ko kahit medyo messy hair ba. So anyway guys, kakain na kami at e-enjoyin lang namin itong aming dinner for today and dinner for tonight. So ako lahat ang nag-prepare nito kasi nga nasa football kanina si Andy. So, bon appetit! Until our next vlog guys! Thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na ito at salamat po kung nakaabot kayo sa dulo ng vlog na ito. More returns po sa inyo and salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa aming vlog. Until our next one. See you again soon. Bye!